Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make layered nimkis. So let's get started.
I've got here some oil for frying, 2 cups of plain flour which I have sifted, half a cup of water, 4 tablespoons of oil or you can use ghee, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and some extra flour for dusting. And for layering our nimkis, I've got here 3 tablespoons of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of ghee. You will also need a rolling pin, a rolling board or you can use your bench top if you like and a sharp knife. The first thing we need to do is to make the dough. Take the flour, add turmeric, salt, garlic powder, cumin seeds, chili powder. Now take your carom seeds in your palm and crush it into the dish and add the oil. Mix it well to combine. Add water little by little and knead it into a semi-soft dough. Rub some oil over the dough, cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. My dough has been resting for 15 minutes. First, we need to get our flour paste ready by mixing ghee and flour together into a smooth paste and put it aside. Take the dough, knead it again, roll it into a log and break it into 4 equal sized pieces. Roll each piece into a bowl and flatten it slightly and put them in the dish. Now take 2 flattened balls at a time and cover the remaining balls to stop them from drying. Sprinkle some dry flour on the bench top. Coat the flattened balls with some dry flour on both sides and roll it into a big thin roti. Put this aside and roll the second roti as well. Take the first roti, apply 1 teaspoon of flour paste evenly on the top and scrape any excess paste off using your finger. Place the second roti on top of the first roti. Apply another teaspoon of the flour paste and remove any excess paste as well. Roll the roti tightly upwards until you reach the top. Now roll it upwards a few times. Push the sides in and cut it into 1/2 inch thick pieces. There are 2 different ways to make the layered nimkis. The first method is to take one piece, put the cut side down, flatten it, tuck the ends at the back and press it to seal. Sprinkle some dry flour on both sides. Press it lightly with your palm. Roll it up and down 2 to 3 times. Turn it around and roll it once or twice again and put it on a plate or tray and repeat this process. The second method is to take one cut piece, put it on the bench top so the cut sides are facing the sides. Press it down. Place the rolling pin on the middle and roll it up and down 2 to 3 times and put it on the tray or plate and repeat this process. I have finished making up all my nimkis. Now it's time to fry them. To fry the nimkis, place a wok or fry pan on low heat. Add some oil and heat it for 5 minutes or until the oil is hot. Add some nimkis and let it cook until it comes to the top. Turn them over and continue frying for another 6 to 8 minutes, turning them frequently so they can cook evenly until you get a light brown color. Take them out, let the excess oil drip off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying up all your nimkis. My crispy layered nimkis is ready. Cool them completely and serve it to family and friends. Leftover nimkis can be stored in a sealed container for up to a month. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.